So a few weeks back, we picked up this 1965 Coupe. It's going to be our new project here at CJ Pony Parts. Now, right now, we're working with a bunch of the vendors to figure out exactly what we want to do with this car. Now, we do have a vision. We know kind of what we want the finished goal to be, but again, we're trying to finalize all the details. So in the future, we'll give you a full plan. Basically, what we're looking to do, though, is we're going to redo this car from front to back. We're going to show you how to upgrade your engine, transmission, rear end, interior, even wheels, tires, suspension, brakes, all those systems on this car are going to be upgraded at some point. Again, that'll be part of our full build. But before we do that, we actually want to hear from our subscribers and our viewers. So it's been a while since we've had a classic Mustang here in the studio that we can pretty much do whatever we want to with. You know, a lot of the cars we've used lately belong to employees or customers, so we're limited on what we're going to do. Well, this car is a blank canvas and we can do whatever we want with it. So before we get into the build, we want to hear back from you guys. What would you like to see? What videos are you looking for your classic Mustang? Do you want to see how to replace bumpers? Do you want to see how to upgrade, fuel, whatever? Let us know in the comments below. Give us some ideas. Let us know what videos you are looking for and haven't been able to find for your classic Mustang, so we can get you guys some content before we actually start with our build. And our goal is to give you 10 videos on just basic classic Mustang upgrades before we get into our full build. So again, give us some ideas and let us know what you'd like to see.